the electric bill, the FPL bill's low, and I don't hear a lot of road noise anymore. They were great. They were on time. They covered everything. They cleaned up as much as they could with the dust, and they were very informative of like what they were doing, and I was able to like look around as I was here while they were doing the install. It's a much cleaner look. I went with the white just for like the overall look on the exterior side because I had black before, and it's a fresher look to the building. I got recommended by this company from a former coworker of mine that used you guys, and I took his value of the services that he got with you guys, so that's why I went with this company.